One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be the start of me doing some much needed yard work, working on some projects in my backyard, probably in my front yard as well. But today's video, I'm going to be focusing on starting my fire pit redo. I have a lot of stuff to do in my yard, and as you can see, my yard is a mess. But as you can see here, the grass has been cut and now I am ready to get started. This fire pit has been, we've never used it. As a matter of fact, that fire pit I got in 2020 and I never used it. It is now ready to be used. I had to get this fire pit the way that I want it in order for us to kind of use it. And so that's what we're going to be doing in this video. So let's get into the light situation. These are solar lights. I found these lights on Amazon, and you're going to see in a minute that I don't know what in the world I was thinking as far as the lights that were needed to go all the way around. So clearly this box is not enough, and I wish I could send it back, but I can't. So yeah, it is what it is. I will definitely have to end up eventually getting more lights, but right now you'll see at the end of the video what it looks like lit up. But yeah, let's get into it.
I've been working overtime like crazy, just to show you how I really feel. Haven't had a single day off duty, just to show you that my love is real. Do you even care when I stay? Oh baby, can you even?
All right, as y'all can see, I clearly didn't have enough of that. What do they call that? Bedding? I didn't have enough of it to fill the whole spot, but it's okay, because when I get ready to add mulch to it next year, I can just put down the bedding where I missed it this year. Because guess what? Sis is not about to buy anymore. I bought this stuff last year during the fall season because I had planned to get this little area together for the fall of last year, but I didn't. So it's been sitting up against the house. So I only got 4 bags of mulch. I don't think that's gonna do the trick either, but the mulch is only like $4, so I can easily just get some more of that. But yeah, let's go ahead and do this.
Oh baby, can you even tell I'm under your spell? Oh baby, I just wanna take another look at you so our eyes can finally meet. I just wanna take another look at you, maybe that's when you'll see.
Let me just say that this project, and along with the rest of them, will probably be well, I'm gonna start off using what I already have. So I don't really have any tools to use outside. Luckily my son found this rake, and so that's what I did to get this stuff put down. But as you can see here, my son ended up buying me some more mulch, thanks Trey, and I got majority of it covered. I do have some spots that I need to fill in, but yes, so we are going to move on to the next step. But you can tell the difference in the fresh mulch and the mulch that I had sitting up against my house, and that really is annoying.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, me like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you crossed my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you.
So let's talk about this umbrella. So about 2 years ago, I bought the same exact umbrella for my mom, but it didn't come. So they ended up sending me out another one, and then after that, the one that didn't come ended up coming. And Amazon only give you a certain amount of days to return the duplicate one, and I failed to do so, so I got stuck with it. But it ended up being a good thing. It's been sitting in my garage for 2 years, so hey, I said, why not just add it into my backyard and that's what we're going to do now. Of course, you have to put it together, so that's what I'm doing, and I'm going to incorporate it into my fire pit area, and I can eventually move it around, so it's not like it has to be there at all times. So
Find me, leaving the past behind. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars above to let us know how to go?
Ooh, baby, it's like the world is on our side. Nothing can break.
all right, so this is something that I'm using that I've been had for, this is since 2019, y'all. I went to San Francisco and I ended up buying those flower seeds to bring back home to plant in my yard, and I never did it. So today I'm going to use them instead of going out buying flowers that's already bloomed. I have 2 of these planters. I'm going to plant these today, and hopefully when I get the finishing touches done on my fire pit, they will have bloomed, and I will have something to show for it.
On earth, I found an angel. I found an angel among us. Found an angel. Ooh, baby, people would travel far and wide just to see how your halo shines so bright. Ooh, baby.
This part of the video is being sponsored by Sengled, a company called Sengled. They have lighting that you can use throughout your home. Today they sent me the single LED with motion censored bulbs that I am going to be installing on my top deck. These lights are motion detective, and they have there's a always on mode, and then there's a motion detective mode. And you will see later how that works as far as how the motion detection works. These lights are really bright. They get the job done. They have my whole deck lit up as need be. It's really dark in my backyard because there's no lighting other than my lights. So anything that I can get to add extra lighting is like really helpful. And these lights did do the job. They were very easy to install, and they can be installed in anything that doesn't have like a covering over it. I wanted to use them at my door, my two back doors, but I have a covering over those lights so they wouldn't fit, but they fit perfectly in this lighting fixture. I want to say thank you to Sengled for sponsoring this video, and here is a night view of my fire pit. So you guys, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.
I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart?